Vanakkam. Let me start with a tricky question. Which college? What course? As a parent, you are in a position to decide about your son or daughter who has passed plus 2. Your hopes on your children will be fulfilled only if they are admitted in a college which secures a job for them while they are studying or as soon as they finish their studies. He or she must come out of college with the appointment order in hands, must earn well, must acquire high position, must uplift the siblings. All of these expectations is what you're thinking about, right? Maritime courses are to be selected to fulfill your expectations. 3-year maritime course and 4-year maritime course are available. Which college is offering such courses with a job assurance? AMET, Academy of Maritime Education and Training in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, is the right choice for you. Is the job assured? This question arises in you. Don't have a doubt about job assurance. You can see in your own area or locality a student of AMET University employed in a ship and is earning in lakhs. He can be contacted in this number 9840 664764 for further queries and details. Like him, you can come across many students of AMET University who are employed and are living a luxurious life by owning a house, land and jewels and well settled in married life. They were all Tamil medium students who had secured very low marks in plus 2 but still managed to get a very nice career out of maritime courses. Nearly 45 giant shipping companies come to AMET University for campus recruitment. AP Moller Maersk, the world's topmost shipping company, has assured job for all students who join this year at the time of joining itself. This is a very golden opportunity for all the students who are joining at this time. Alright, there may be a question within you, why should I make my child study in AMET? Why should I make my child study in AMET? So the answer for this is only if your child joins in 3 years or 4 years course at AMET, he or she can get a course completion certificate from the Directorate General of Shipping after he or she finishes the studies. Now I will explain it elaborately. As per the present scenario, writing exams and finishing BSc Nautical Science of a 3 years duration or BE Marine Engineering of a 4 years duration is not sufficient to get the degree certificate. They have to take up on-board training in ships for 6 months to get the course completion certificate from the Directorate General of Shipping in order to be employed in ships. This is only possible if you are recruited from the campus recruitment in the college. What is to be noted in this is that only those students who are recruited, selected for job can undergo 6 months on-board training after the completion of 3 years BSc Nautical Science or 4-year BE Marine Engineering. Now, that is, even after spending lakhs and lakhs of money and 3 and 4 years of study, if the student does not get the appointment order, they cannot join this training and cannot get the degree certificate. So, only if you admit your child in a university or college which arranges a good education, exam, results, and appointment order, your child can get a degree certificate and a course completion certificate very easily. You can ask any maritime institutions whether they can guarantee job for their students. They will not assure. Imagine your situation if your child joins in any other institution and completes the studies after spending a lot of money but is not able to get the degree certificate. That would be a very sadful and That will be a very sadful situation. But if your child joins an Amit University, 3 years or 4 years duration, he will be having a pass mark, appointment order, eligibility for onboard training, course completion certificate, completion of the course from the Directorate General of Shipping, and a permanent job in ships, name and fame. All this is possible. Admit your child in the 28 years old well established first maritime university in India, Academy of Maritime Education and Training at Chennai.